Turn the Network switch in the Code Mode toolbar on by sliding it to the right. The upper panel of the drop-down sheet titled Online Servers will display the names of the servers in your local area network only which are available to you. The names of the servers which are not available but which you previously connected to will be displayed in the lower panel titled Recent Servers. If the server you wish to connect to is not listed in the Online Servers display, select the Other Servers button at the bottom of the sheet. Here you will be asked to specify the name, IP address and port details of the server you wish to connect to. Once you have established a server connection, select the session by session name displayed or create a new session.